Hey, come on, let's go. Let's all go to the Cowboy Jack show.
Howdy, cowboys and cowgirls. It's me, Cowboy Jack. Today I got Cowboy Caden, Cowgirl Addison with me. We were hanging out in this parking lot. We found all these roly-polies. Look, there's one on the ground right there. Ooh, Addison's gonna grab it. Hey, show the camera. Show everybody these roly-polies you guys caught. Those are so cool.
I found a giant one. Look at that.
Wow. But you know what? I saw this truck here and it looks like it's got a bunch of big tools on it.
Yeah, do you see that pink thing?
I do see the pink thing. Look at that.
That's my favorite color.
This says Wood Waterworks and it's got their phone number. Let's see what it says. Pressure washing, soft washing, exterior home cleaning. Well, that seems pretty cool.
That sounds like...
Wait a second, guys. Hey, look over here. I see some people. We ought to go talk to them and see what that's all about. Oh, hey, how's it going?
Hi, how are you?
Good, I'm Cowboy Jack.
I'm Andy.
Andy, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Are you Mr. Wood Waterworks?
I am.
That is so cool. We were just looking at your truck. Well, we caught a couple of really cool roly-polies.
Okay, cool.
But then we saw your truck and we were just, oh, look at that.
That's a big one.
Yeah, it's the mama one.
Okay.
That is so cool. But I was wondering, like, what is all this equipment? What are you guys doing out here?
So I'm cleaning this parking lot. It's pressure washing is what it's called.
That is
this,
so cool.
This is a surface cleaner. And what it does is it hooks up to my big pressure hose here, which is connected to my trailer. And then water comes out down here out of these two holes as this bar spins around.
That is incredible.
Uh-huh.
Wow, so you're actually like cleaning the concrete.
Yes.
That is so cool. You know, guys, a lot of cars and a lot of delivery drivers, people walking on it, the sun shining on it, dust, dirt, everything gets all on these concretes and it gets really icky looking. So Mr. Andy is an expert on cleaning that. And Wood Waterworks is the best name in Montgomery County for that, right?
Yes, sir, it is.
This is so, oh, it sounds like those kiddos got a lot of roly-polies now. That is so fun.
Yeah, sometimes using this pressure washing, it kicks up a lot of the bugs and snakes and all kinds of little critters like that. So I get very familiar with all the little...
Well, it would be so cool if we could see some of your equipment work. You think we could do that?
I'd love to, yeah.
All right.
All right, so we talked about the pressure washing. Now this is called soft washing.
Soft washing?
Yes, a lot of buildings and things, you can't put a lot of pressure on it because it messes up the paint or the brick and things like that.
Oh, that makes sense.
So this is an algicide and soap mixed with water that takes off all that dirt and grime and mold and all kinds of nasty stuff. Do you want to see me try that?
That is so cool, yeah. And this hose is running all the way back to your truck. That is awesome.
So you want to start on the bottom to prevent any streaks from running down the side of the building.
Oh, that makes sense. Guys, look at that. That is so cool. It's almost like you're painting it with water.
Mm-hmm. And then I have this fan tip for close up, and then I can switch it right here. And we can get all the way to the top of that building.
Wow!
Without even needing a ladder.
Guys. That is so cool. I bet that's probably 20 feet tall or even taller.
It could be. I don't really want to find out.
No. Well, that's great. You get to do all your work right here from the ground.
And then we just let that sit for a couple minutes. I'm gonna go fire up my machine and then we rinse all this stuff off.
That is so awesome. Wow, guys, look at that. Mr. Andy used that nozzle to get all the way up there. Look how high that is. Wow. Wow, guys, look at that. Mr. Andy looks like a firefighter. He's using such great high pressure water now, but he's not using it to actually blast it. He's just rinsing all that stuff off. Look at all that dirt and grime coming down. Ooh.
So you always apply the chemical from the bottom up, but then you rinse from the top down.
Oh, okay. Best way to keep all those streaks going. That is so cool. That pushes a lot of water out.
Yeah, it does. It does about 6 gallons per minute.
Wow. 6 gallons per minute? That's a whole lot of water.
And now we're going to crank up the surface cleaner. It's connected, like I said, to this pressure hose. And we're going to clean all this dirty concrete over here.
Mr. Andy, you said something earlier. You said whenever you pressure wash, all the bugs and critters come out?
Uh-huh.
Look at this little friend I see right over here. Look at this guy. Yeah, look at that guy. That is so cool. Well, hey, let me go put him in the grass.
That's a great idea.
Come here, bud. Look at that. We're pressure washing, we were doodle bug hunting, and now I got a lizard going up my arm. Let's go get you in the grass, friend. I think he likes riding on my shoulder. All right, Mr. Lizard. Your day of freedom has come. Go run and play. All right, let's get back with Mr. Andy and see this surface cleaner. Wow, so the water's connected here, and that thing is gonna spin down below?
Mm-hmm. When I turn that, now the water's going into the gun, down this hose, down into there, through there, and here we go. You want to try?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, if you say I can try, I gotta try. All right, Cowboy Jack pressure washing. Here goes nothing. Wow, guys, how do you think I did for my first time? This was really cool.
I think you did a great job.
Oh, thank you, Mr. Andy.
Yeah.
I appreciate that. That was really fun. Let me give the machine back to the pro here.
Okay. I've got another little pro. My son, he wants to come do a little bit of spraying too, so.
Oh yeah, let's see.
Might go get him here in a minute. Let me finish this part up.
Wow, that was so cool when you were getting the edge, because it was like we could see the power of that water pressure coming off of
Yeah, it really sprays hard. And it's really important to spray off all this dirt before it dries, because then you'll just have to redo it again. So let's go ahead and rinse all this stuff off.
Okay.
On the concrete, buddy. Spray the concrete. This is my son Chet. He's been working with me this summer.
That is awesome. Wow, Cowboy Chef, you're doing a great job, buddy.
All right, we already cleaned all that off, so let's spray the sidewalk off, okay? Look at all that dirt move. All right. Out of that, please. Thank you.
Cowboy Chef, give me a 5, dude. That was good work.
Thanks for the help. All right. I'm going to spray this way now, Cowboy.
All right. Wow, guys, this is absolutely crazy. So I'm standing on the portion that Mr. Andy cleaned, and it looks incredible. It looks like this concrete was just poured yesterday.
Yes, it does.
But look right here. Look at this line, guys. You can clearly see not washed, washed, not washed, washed. That is a crazy difference. Wow. Those tools really, they do an incredible job, and I guess you have to have the skills to do this. This is an incredibly skilled labor, right?
Yes, it is. It takes a lot of practice. My first few jobs, it was really tough.
Well, we talk about that on the show all the time. Whenever we do something the first time, we're never great at it, but that's why we try and try and try again, and we get really good at it.
Exactly. You have to keep working at it, and eventually you get very, very good at it, and hopefully you're lucky enough to support your family with it.
That's amazing. Wow. This is so cool. And so you guys wash all kinds of things, don't you?
Yes, sir, we do. We wash homes. I can do sheds. I've done hospitals, churches, anything that can get dirt on it, you name it.
I saw a video of you guys the other day cleaning tennis courts.
Yes.
That is so cool, guys. You got to think about it. Tennis courts out there getting dust, dirt, wind, rain, all that stuff on it all the time. And Mr. Andy can make it look sparkling fresh. That is so fun.
I'd love to show you my trailer too.
Oh yeah, it'd be cool. Guys, all these tools we've been working with are great and they're so fun to see, but we have to get that water pressure from somewhere, right?
Exactly.
Let's go take a look.
All right.
Wow, so this is your big trailer with all your tools on it?
Yes, it is. This is my soap tank.
Soap tank, check that out.
This is my water tank, this big water tank.
Wow, how many gallons do you bring with you?
I actually don't bring any gallons of water with me. I take it all from where I work.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Yep, my water hose just connects straight to the building and it comes into this big tank. And then with my soft washing, I mix all of the chemicals right here.
Wow, guys, that's a lot of valves and all kinds of things.
So I've got my water here, my soap here, and then my chemicals here. And this is what kills all the mold and algae and fungus and all that on the
Yeah, we get a lot of that here in Montgomery, Texas, because we get so much rain every year.
This little pump down here pulls all those chemicals and pushes it through to my yellow hose that I then spray on the building.
That is so cool. It's like you've got a labyrinth of hoses and different contraptions and everything to make sure you get the right product for the job.
Oh yes.
That is so cool. I guess you had to draw all this out on paper and kind of plan how you made this happen.
Exactly, yep. I've had a lot of help from friends too. But yeah, this was a labor of love.
That is so cool. And I see you've got, like, look at this, guys. Wow. Ooh, this is really long. Wow. Now we have one of these at home for whenever our puppy dogs get our patio too dirty.
Oh, yeah.
A little soapy water and scrub. That is so cool. And you got all these tools right here. That's incredible.
Yeah.
Wow, cowboys and cowgirls. This was so cool to get to learn about pressure washing today. Mr. Andy, thank you so much.
Thanks for coming by. I
That was
appreciate it.
incredible. Wood Waterworks right here in Montgomery, Texas, doing all kinds of cleaning. If it's dirty and it needs to be cleaned, this is your guy, Mr. Andy, right here. But anyhow, wait, Mr. Andy.
Yes, sir.
We always do the yeehaw at the end of the show. Guys, how many roly-polies are you holding, Addison?
Like a lot.
Wow.
Whoa, look at that. You've been busy catching roly-polies. But, Kay, can you still help me with the yeehaw?
Yes.
Can you help me with the yeehaw?
Of course.
All right, cowboys and cowgirls, until next time we see you, 1, 2, 3. Yeehaw!